Tired of being the only one wrangling your WhatsApp group? Let's unlock the secret to sharing the admin power and making your group management a breeze. Today, I am going to show you how to promote someone to admin in a WhatsApp group, step by step. First, open the WhatsApp group where you want to grant admin privileges. It's the group you want to delegate some authority to someone. Next, tap on the 3 vertical dots located in the top right corner of your screen. This will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Group Info. This will take you to the Group Settings page. Scroll down until you find the list of participants in the group. This section displays all members of the group. Now tap and hold on the name of the person you want to make an admin. A pop-up menu will appear. In the pop-up menu, select Make Admin. This will promote the selected participant to admin status. You should now see the word admin next to their name in the participant list. Congratulations, you've successfully added a new admin. Now you can share the responsibility of managing the group, adding new members, and keeping things organized. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.